Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel BBC World News. In today's video, we will share with you latest news. Judge uphold Donald Trump conviction, set sentencing for January 10 with no penalty. A New York judge upheld the felony conviction of President-elect Donald Trump on Friday and set sentencing for January 10, but said Trump would receive no prison or probation. Judge John Mershon had agreed to Trump's earlier request to postpone sentencing until after the election, but he said there is no legal reason to stop it from happening before Trump takes office again on January 20. It is incumbent upon this court to set this matter down for the imposition of sentence prior to January 20, 2025. Mershon added that his goal is bringing finality to the case. Mershon said on unconditional discharge appeared to be the most viable solution so that Trump could pursue his appeal. Under New York law, that means the sentence without inaccuracy, fine or probation. Stevena Chung, a Trump spokesperson, called Mershon's ruling a direct violation of the Supreme Court ruling in July that former presidents are shielded from criminal charges for action related to their official duty while in office. Trump should be able to continue his transition to return to the White House unobstructed by the sentencing, Chung said. This lawless case should never have been brought and the Constitution demands that it be immediately dismissed, Chung said. Trump was convicted May 13 on 34 felony count of falsifying business record to the cover up a hash money payment of that was paid to the port Stormy Daniel ahead of the 2016 presidential election. Daniel has alleged she and Trump had sex during a celebrity golf tournament in 2006, acclaimed Trump Dennis. Hatton District Attorney Alvin Bragg contends that Trump payment to Daniel via his lawyer Michael Cohen was not an official act as a president. Mark Zuckerberg, a partner at Dorf Nelson and Zuckerberg, who has practiced for decades in New York, said Mershon ruling would preserve the felony conviction while allowing Trump to walk away without imprisonment or fine and still able to challenge the verdict at the appellate court. He made it a clean break, Zuckerberg said of the judge. I think he was faithful to the nation. Nobody is above the law. A felony conviction, if not overturned and appealed, still has consequences, Zuckerberg said. Trump would not be allowed to vote on a fire team or sit on a jury in a New York state, Zuckerberg said. It's a compromise that balances a number of interests, he said. After his November election victory, Trump urged Judge John Mershon to dismiss the entire case, arguing that going forward with proceedings or even simply delaying them until after his president would create an acceptable diversion and distraction from the President Trump effort to lead the nation. Prosecutors from Bragg office voiced their own concern about interfering with the presidency if the sentencing takes place after inauguration day January 20. However, they will urge Mershon to honor the jury verdict by keeping Trump's criminal conviction in place. They suggested alternative to proceeding with sentencing soon, including pausing the case until after Trump presidency or closing the case while nothing to the docket that Trump was convicted, but he did not have the chance to pursue his full appeal. Having addressed and resolved all matters brought before this court and the verdict now more than half a year behind us, all the remain outstanding in this case in the issuance of a decision and the imposition of the sentence, Mershon wrote. Scheduling sentence is a function that remains exclusively within the purview of the trial judge and can be easily set down for a date and time certain to minimize disruption and inconvenience, provided that applicable statutory obligations are met. Trump's presidential election has been a major personal boon when it comes to his criminal case. The Justice Department dropped its effort to prosecute Trump into two separate cases, one alleging Trump unlawfully tried to steal the 2020 election and the other a case that was an appeal after being dismissed, alleging Trump mishandled classified documents after the presidency. Trump has challenged not only the New York criminal case in the wake of his election victory, but also a Georgia criminal case that alleged his effort to overturn the 2020 election result announced to a criminal conspiracy. Get your daily dose of entertainment. Subscribe today for new videos every day. Thanks for watching. For more, have a nice time. Goodbye.